Hello, beautiful people. It's Ms. DeVos here, and I have a couple of definitions for you to add to your Unit 2 shoes terms to know, okay? So we've got 3 to add today. We've got goods, services, and consumers, okay? So goods, I'll put this over, well, let's see. Well, how am I going to do this? That's a good question. A good, so get those definitions up, okay? And I know this is backwards. This is all strange for me, but can we do it this way? Good. Ooh, now I'm making you dizzy, I'm sure. A good is a tangible item, a physical thing that gives a person satisfaction. An example is a telephone, okay? A good, back it up. A good is a tangible thing, something that you can hold, that you can touch. It's a physical thing. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, making you dizzy. That gives a person satisfaction, right? So again, a tangible thing, a physical thing that gives a person satisfaction. That's a good, right? I can hold my phone is a tangible thing. My phone case, that's a tangible thing. My glasses, my sweatshirt, those are all things that I can hold in my hand, which means it's a tangible item. All right, so that's a good, right? Cars, snow blowers, pancakes, those are all tangible things, right? Things we can touch. And that gives a person satisfaction, right? Because we want goods. We want something that's going to please us so that we need, right? So then the other term, you get 3 terms today, goods. The next one is services. So look up services on your sheet over there. It should be somewhere after goods, I think. Okay. And a service is like a good, except it's an intangible item, meaning you can't touch it. Okay. You can't touch it. A service is an intangible item, not a physical thing that I can hold in my hand, but it does give a person satisfaction, right? So for instance, when I get my hair cut, I can't touch my haircut. I mean, I could touch my hair afterwards, but a haircut is a service. A massage. Oh, I love a massage right now. That's a service. Getting your nails done. That's a service. Having someone tutor you. That's a service, right? So a service is like a good, except it's an intangible item. It's not something that you can hold in your hand. So let's look at that over here. I've written it out. I'm going to make you dizzy again. Oh, how I can't think backwardsly. I'm so sorry. But a service is an intangible item. It is not a physical thing you can hold, right? That gives a person satisfaction. Can you see all that? Am I on the way? Okay. So the difference again between goods and services is a good is something you can hold, you can touch. It's a tangible, physical item. A service is an intangible, not physical item, okay? We want both of those. Now say, okay, well, I want to go to Shamrock's Delish and get a burger, some onion rings. Is that a good or a service? Both, right? Because you're actually getting the good, the physical thing, the burger and those crispy, crunchy onion rings, right? But you're also getting a service because someone is cooking them for you. Someone is bringing them to you, serving you as well. So you're getting both a good and a service at that point. Okay. And it's just basically so again, these are terms we need to know. We're learning economic language right now. And we talk about goods and services a lot, okay? We talk about them a lot. So I just want you to understand the difference. The last term you need to know is consumer. Consumer, right? And consumers are people who use goods and services to satisfy their wants and needs, right? Right. They're also known as buyers, right? You can call them buyers as well too. But again, if we use my example of going to Shamrock's and getting a burger and onion rings, I am a consumer. I had a want and a need and the money to buy it, right? You need that too, to go over there. So I'm a consumer of the goods and services of Shamrock's. So again, I'm sorry with this whole thing to do, but we've got consumers, and again, I'm making you dizzy, people who use goods and services to satisfy their personal wants and needs. And they're also buyers. You also know them as buyers, right? So when we make a choice, remember, we have unlimited wants, right? And we have limited resources. We'll talk about resources the next time. We have unlimited wants, limited resources. We have to make choices. We've got to weigh the costs and the benefits of each thing, right? And when we do, when we're a consumer, when we're trying to get one of those wants or services, right? And I mean, wants or needs, and those can be either in the form of goods or services. Goods, something you can touch, you can feel, you can hold in your hand. Let's say it's physical, it's tangible. Service, intangible, not a physical thing you can actually hold, but a service that you're paying for. Okay? All right, those are the 3 terms for today. If you got any questions about it, don't hesitate to email me, and I will see you later.